How to install the membrane. Water-based adhesive is required for an OSB or plywood deck. Leave the membrane in place for approximately 30 minutes to allow to relax. Stir the water-based adhesive thoroughly with a paddle stirrer. Fold one half of the sheet back and roller apply water-based adhesive to the deck. Do not apply adhesive to too large an area on very warm days in order to prevent the glue from drying too fast. Carefully lay the membrane onto the adhesive. Sweep out any air bubbles with a soft broom. Repeat the process to the other half of the roof. Again, sweep out any air bubbles with a soft broom. Thoroughly stir the contact adhesive and apply a thin layer to both the upstand and the rubber. Alternatively, use our spray contact adhesive. Allow to dry completely. Starting in the middle, make the membrane to the upstand, small sections at a time. Smooth out by hand and cut off excess rubber with scissors or blade.